Hello everyone, today we're going to be installing these Rexium head fog lights, halo fog lights on 2014 Mustang GT. I got these from American Muscle for about $150. These are the smoked version. They have a chrome version and a smoked version. This is what they look like. That's the halo and wire harness, a ballast. You have to do some wiring over here. Either connect them to the side marker or to your daytime running lights. For this install, the front bumper is going to need to come off. In order to do that is to get this plastic piece off by taking these push pins out. Then you'll have some bolts along the top over here. After that's done, you gotta take these bolts out that's holding the front spoiler. Same thing on the other side, and depending on what front spoiler you have, that's gonna show what you need to take off here. For mine, I only need to take out some screws up front here, and once all those are out, carefully you gotta pry the clips from here on both sides. Don't break it, and the bumper will pull back, but don't pull back crazy because these will still be hooked up. Alright guys, so the bumper is removed. It was a little of a hassle for one person job, but I got it done. Like I said, 7mm, few of them up here, the side 7 mils, on the other side too, and the bottom like I told you. And if you have a GT, you're gonna want to take off your fog light connectors and your ambient temperature sensor, also the side marker. So a total of 5 connectors before the bumper could back all the way up. Now we're gonna remove the whole fog light housing. You gotta take these that look like 7mm bolts out, 1, 2, and 3 over here. This will come out. We take the LED light out of this assembly and put it into the new one and put everything back in here. The car is all put back together. This is next day. Sorry I didn't show you everything because I was trying to figure it out, but to put everything back together, just reverse the whole process, and this is what it looks like. You could see them, and as you can see, it's bright, very bright outside, and you can still see them. I hooked them up to the side markers. When I'm driving in the day, they don't come on, so they don't burn out. They only come on when the side markers are on. That's when it gets dark outside, or when you turn on the parking lights. And yeah, but also when you unlock the car, as you can see, they come on. You lock it, they go off. Fog lights still function, but since I got the smoked out version, they are a little dimmer, which is okay because I never use my fog lights. Alright, well thank you guys for watching once again. I ordered another Tesla screen. This one is going to be Android 12. The other one that I had was Android 9. I'm not going to do a video installing it because it's pretty much the same thing, but I'll do like a review video of it to see, and just wait on that one. It should be in a few more weeks. That's all. Thank you guys.